I've prepared 5 little algebra puzzles using fractions. I use this with people just starting to learn fractions. I think it's a really good way of learning. Have a go at this in your own time if you like. I'm going to go through this first one a little bit more slowly. I'll go through the later ones a bit more quickly. At sort of beginner levels of maths, I encourage replacing an x, if you see it, which is like a box. Because an x is like a variable, is an unknown. So why don't we just write a box? Because you're saying, well, I don't know what it is, I'll just leave a space. Okay. What needs to go in that space to make this number sentence here true? Oh wait, that'd be 5. Because a fifth plus a fifth makes 2 fifths. So x equals 5. Let's try the next one. While you're thinking about it, I'm just going to write the box thing again. So we need something to go in the box that makes this number sentence true. 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Now that doesn't make sense because, wait, hang on. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2/5 plus 1/5 makes 3/5. So x is 2. This one, hard to say out loud because we don't know what's going underneath. So how do we say it as a sentence with a gap in it? But something plus something is... it's obviously a half, yeah? Which means x is 2. Yeah, got it? Half plus a half makes 1. Okay, let's look at the next one. So I'm going to put a little box up here and then write the rest out. That'd be a 1, wouldn't it? Because 1/10 plus 2/10 is 3/10, just like 1 elephant plus 2 elephants is 3 elephants. Okay, something over 10 plus 4 over 10 equals 1 over 2. Bit of a trap here, making it a bit awkward. Well, the answer is actually 1. Wait, what? How does that work? Reason is that 1/10 plus 4/10, that'd be 5/10. Oh wait, but 5/10 is the same as a half. There you go. So there you go. That means that x equals 1. Hopefully that was helpful.